on me. I promise that you'll never be lonely.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. Today I'm going to show you a very simple trick, and it's to show you viewers how to make your matte lipsticks into a normal glossy lipstick. Instead of buying a new lipstick, let's say you've got a matte lipstick like this is Lexi by Cosmetic, and it is my favorite lipstick, but I want it in a glossy form. All you need to do is pick your lip gloss, girl. Just pick your lip gloss. Transparent lip gloss, of course, not colored lip gloss. Transparent. Yeah, girl. And turn that matte lipstick into beautiful glossy lipstick. Yeah, so you turn that matte lipstick into this beautiful glossy lipstick. Make sure you don't have lipstick on your teeth, and you're good to go. This is like an everyday hack. You don't need to change your lipstick or go to the shop and buy a normal glossy lipstick. You can change your matte lipsticks into glossy by just applying your normal lip gloss, but it has to be transparent because the colored lip gloss might change the color of the lipstick, if you get what I mean. So yeah, if you do like videos like this, do not forget to like a video. I'll link a website of where I get my favorite lipsticks from, the Cosmetic website, in the description box down below. So hope you guys did enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys in my next. Thank you, bye.